I've always wanted a special place to put my books, and I love this bookshelf my mom bought some years ago. The bookshelf looks like a red telephone booth, which I find so creative. We had to move the bookshelf from the living room to my bedroom, and of course, I loved the idea. For this, I had to remove my vanity table and relocate my desk. We don't have a rigorous criterion to organize our books. We care more about the weight of the books than the genre, because shelves aren't strong enough to hold several heavy books. So we put the heaviest ones at the edges of the shelves and the lightest books in the middle. But in a general way, we put Catholic, Brazilian, and other little books on the first shelf. On the second shelf, we put philosophy books and self-education books. On the third shelf, there are some of my most beloved ones, the Tolkien books. Bookworm bugs have destroyed my American Hobbit edition, so we've placed cloves all over the bookshelves to avoid bookworm bugs. It seems to work, as I haven't had any problem with them since I've started doing this. There are also many other fantasy books on this shelf. Finally, we have classical literature on the last shelf and some big books from other genres. If you're enjoying this video, please hit the like button to help YouTube spread it to other readers. For the bookshelf decor, we only put some random items we have at home. And this is the final look at our bookshelf. Most of the books belongs to my mother, but I plan to read all of them anyway. What do you think about this bookshelf? Tell me in the comments below and subscribe to the channel to see more book videos. Bye bye!